Thinking about trying NordVPN but don't want to pay for a full subscription right away? In this video, we'll look at how the NordVPN free trial works in 2026, what you actually get, and whether it's worth trying before you commit. First, open the official NordVPN website and check the plans available in your country. One important thing to understand is that NordVPN's standard offer is usually not a completely free trial. Instead, NordVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee on eligible subscriptions. That means you pay for the subscription, use the service normally, and if you decide it's not right for you, you can request a refund within the first 30 days, subject to NordVPN's terms. NordVPN also offers free trial promotions in some situations. For example, certain users may see a 7-day trial, depending on their location and how they subscribe. Android users may also see a trial option through Google Play, so before signing up, check the exact offer you're getting, because the trial period and terms can vary. Now, what can you actually test? You get access to NordVPN's VPN service, so you can try it on your computer, phone, or other supported devices. You can test different server locations, check your connection speed, and see how well the VPN works with the websites and services you normally use. NordVPN also supports multiple simultaneous connections, so you can test it across several devices instead of using it on just one. But there's one thing you definitely shouldn't forget. If you don't want to continue with the subscription, cancel it before the trial or refund period ends. Otherwise, your subscription may renew, and you could be charged again. And if you're using the 30-day money-back guarantee, remember that this isn't the same thing as using NordVPN for free forever. You still need to make the initial payment and then request a refund if you decide not to continue. So, is the NordVPN free trial worth it? If you're already considering NordVPN, I think it's worth testing. A trial or money back period gives you enough time to see how the VPN performs on your own devices and with your own internet connection. Don't just test whether it connects. Try different server locations, check the speed, use it for your normal browsing, and see whether the features you actually need work well for you. If everything works well and you like the service, you can keep the subscription. If not, cancel it or request your refund within the applicable period. Overall, NordVPN is worth trying if you want to test a premium VPN before making a long-term commitment. Just make sure you understand whether you're getting an actual free trial or the 30-day money-back guarantee. And always check the renewal price before completing your purchase. That's how the NordVPN free trial works in 2026.